Ministers of State take oath of office. Senators and members of Parliament sworn in, and
we will, as a country, recover stronger.
You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Anthony Morgan. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has charged newly elected ministers of state to support cabinet members in executing their roles and responsibilities.
There are areas of policy that need to be explained, that needs to be championed, that needs sometimes to be brought directly to the stakeholders. And as Minister of State, you can play that very important role.
The Prime Minister made the call Monday as the 9 junior ministers were being sworn in at King's House. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade will be supported by Senator Leslie Campbell. Juliet Cuthbert-Flynn will assist the Minister of Health and Wellness. Homer Davis is the new State Minister in the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development. The Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce will get the support of Dr. Norman Dunn. J.C. Hutchinson has been dispatched to the Ministry of Transport and Mining, while Xavier Main will continue his work at the Ministry of Labour and Social Security. Operations at the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information will be assisted by Robert Morgan. The Finance Ministry will get the expertise of Marcia Smith, while Alanda Terrelong will head to the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport. By Tuesday, the new government of Jamaica was in place after the swearing-in of members of the House of Representatives and the Senate. The 21-member Senate was sworn in Tuesday morning at the Jamaica Conference Center in downtown Kingston. Senator Tom Tavares Finson was returned as President of the Senate, while Senator Charles Sinclair was appointed as his deputy. The venue was used Tuesday afternoon as the members of Parliament took their oath of office. Marisa Dalrymple Philibert was named Speaker of the House, while Juliet Holness was appointed her deputy. Prime Minister Andrew Holness used the ceremony to assure the country that his administration has hit the ground running.
I'm very seized of the magnitude of all the challenges we face. But I'm very motivated and I'm very optimistic of the energy, the skill, the thoughtfulness, and the commitment of the team that is assembled not just on my side of the house, but of the entire Parliament, of the entire government of Jamaica, of all the people of Jamaica, to overcome these challenges.
The Prime Minister also committed his government to making the necessary reforms in education, digitizing government services, and the pursuit of a national identification system. Housing, rural development, water, agriculture, and the upgrading of the health infrastructure will also be prioritized. While in Parliament Tuesday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness pledged to work with the Leader of the Opposition to address voter apathy. The Electoral Office of Jamaica reported a 37% voter turnout for the September 3 general election. The turnout was visibly less than the 48% of the population which voted in 2016. Among the initiatives to address the shortfall, Mr. Holness says a civic education program will be implemented in schools.
There are many ways in which this could be done, and indeed, we could put the Parliament to work on examining the possibilities of how we could have greater engagement.
Prime Minister Holness also urged members of the House to be mindful of the way they conduct themselves when carrying out the people's business.
We cannot hide away from the fact that a part of the disengagement is the frustration that the electorate has with how we conduct ourselves. There is a dissonance that we cannot ignore.
And the Prime Minister extended comfort to the family of veteran politician Dr. D.K. Duncan. Dr. Duncan passed away at hospital Friday at age 80. In a statement, Mr. Holness offered condolences to the entire Duncan family, including Dr. Duncan's wife Beverly and his children. And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.